Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you about an amazing app by which you can easily earn money. You know, earning money is not easy, but by this app you are going to earn money without any skill, and that is pretty amazing. And you will just need to spend some couple of minutes of your own life by giving reviews of some products or some characters or some movie and music review, and that is really amazing. And the most important thing is this app is provided by Google, that is why you are not going to be cheated. So this is the most important part, and you will get the payments easily, and it is 100% correct. So without doing any delay, let's start. Before that, please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and if you are first time watching my channel, please subscribe and help me to grow my channel. So guys, first of all you will need to install the app, and you have to go to the Google Play Store and search Utternik. Then you will see this app, and you have to install that app simply, and then you have to open the app. Okay, let's start. Continue. And if you don't have an invitation code, you can check the description box for my invitation code, and you can use that to help me. After that, if you don't have any or you don't want to use that invitation code, you just press on simply no, and then you have to choose some options. I suggest to select all of them to get many reviews option, and then continue. Then you have to select all of these, then you will get more options to review. After that, you have to select the region. I am from Indian region, that is why I am selecting India. After that, you have to press the continue, and after continuing you are rewarded by 50 points. Then again continue. Let's go. Okay, well, next, I have already logged in. If you are not logged in, you can log in with your email address or your Facebook address. The login process is really easy. You have to just log in as you log in into the Facebook. So I am skipping that. Okay, after that I have already logged in here. After login, you will see an interface like here. This is my account. They are actually want me to log in. Okay, I want to log in with Facebook. Just wait a minute for login. Yes, I have already logged in, and save changes. Okay, so I have already logged in. You can see that on the screen I have already earned 1.3k, that's mean 1300 points, and I have still 95. I have already given 95 reviews, and if I click on that points, you can see that I have already $0.3 and 3 coins here. So there are several processes for earning coins here. I am going to show you the easiest option. Okay, so you have to click on the home, down, below, left side, and you can see that here are many options. So you have to just simply rate this. So select any one of these and then rate now. After going to that, you have to just click how you feel about that. If you are not familiar with the person or with that you are giving review, that is 100% okay. You have to just simply click on this, and then you have to next. And I have already given the review of this, that is why it is pre-selected, so that is not a problem. Submit your option. If you review any one of these double time, you will not add any point. So I want to, okay, what they are saying, enjoying it, rate this app. If you rate this app, you will get 200 points. Later I will show you that. And I want to show you a new profile, that I want to, and how it works. Okay, Ahmed M, user not found, not a problem. Okay, and then suppose I want to review this app, itself. If I go to the review and then I have to select some options interesting, you can select any of these, that is not matter. You can use connection. You can also select that, but I don't want to select that. You have to go next and then you have to select one more options and then done. Let's wait, and you have to click the submit your opinion option and then you will see. Okay, you can see that is increased by 1 and your opinion matters. It was 95 and then it has been increased by 196. So by giving reviews you can easily earn points. So you can see that there are lots of options and you will find more and more if you select all the options previously you have done. And then you have to go to the feed. You can also see a huge of options here. You can also rate these, and by giving reviews of them, by rating them, you have to actually earn money. So it will take a few minutes. It is about 10 to 15 minutes a day if you review them all, or review 10 to 20 specific IDs. And then I want to show you how can you actually earn the money. So you have to come to the me, that is your profile, right side down below, and then you can see that I have 96 points and 1.3 coins here. So these gives 100 points for 1 coin. You need 100 points for 1 coin, and you can earn as many as points. It is limitless. You can earn 1000, 2000, 3000 points a day, but the condition is you can't earn more than 2 points a day. You will find on more options here, earn more points and coin. If you go to this option, they will show you the full instruction here. Invite people, you will get 200 points and that means 2 coins, and submit opinion, you will get 10 points per option. And you can also write blogs. You can upload your contracts, you will get 2 points, and get trusted people, and there are several options here. But the most important and most easiest person, if you write a blog to your website, or you can use anything. If you want to see how to write blogs, please comment below, then you can easily earn points here. So the most important part has been finished, and now I am going to show you how can you actually earn the money. How can you increase these right side $0.3 here? How can you redeem it? So you have to simply go to the redeem option, and you will need at least 10 coins for redeem or withdraw. So I am really sorry, I have only 3 coins and I can't earn more than 2 coins a day. If you increase your points by 15,000 or anything else, the coin will be added daily itself. So there is no problem. If you work 1 day for this app, it will increase your coin daily. Okay, so after 5 or 6 days you will see that here has been added the coins you have earned. I have 1300 points, that is why I have gained $0.3. And the dollar, there is a matter also. For 10 coins you will get a option for redeem, and in that case you can earn up to $5. From 10 cents you can earn up to $5. So it is completely depends on your luck. You just can earn 10 cents, or if you are a good lucky person you can earn $5. So the working process is really easy, and if you work for 1 day, the whole week you can get rest. But there is an option also here. If you go to the home page, and then you have to right click on the top left side, then you will get the add a new page or create a community or log out option. Okay, I am showing it here. If you have 2 or more than 3 or 4 Facebook ID or 3-4 Gmail, you have to just work for 10 to 15 minutes for per account, and after a week you can see you will get the options of, if you have 5 accounts you will get the options of 5 into 5, $25 easily. So this is the real app, and this is I know the earning is really down, but this app is actually provides the money, okay, because this is provided by Google. And if I talk about the payment process, you can go to here, withdraw the money. There you must have PayPal or Paytm. PayPal is not legal in every country, but everyone uses PayPal in a process. From Bangladesh you can also use PayPal. If you don't have any PayPal, or if you need any help for withdraw the money from PayPal, you can knock me, you can comment below. Or if you are from India, you can just easily use the Paytm. So this is how you can actually earn money from this app, and this is really useful app. And the person who has no skills but want to earn money from home and don't want to invest many times, they have just only 10 to 15 minutes and they can easily use this app. And by using this app you can actually earn money. So thank you for watching this video. If you are interested earning more, you can subscribe to my channel and follow me for more tips and tricks.